Welcome back. In this video I will be creating the linkage peg for the mini train project. Got Inventor opened up. I'm going to click on Bradley Tech, part inches, hit create. I'm going to add a new sketch here. This, similar to other pegs, is going to be created by creating this grayed out portion. The middle line here is going to be 0.325. Because I'm only creating half of this, right? Right now this is a diameter 0.0625. I need to create half of that. So I'm going to type in 0.0625 divided by 2 so that it reduces that distance in half. This goes up 0.25. And then for now I'm just going to create a random line, right? The reason for that is to determine this line here, the length of this line, I need to dimension off my center 0.1562. So I'm going to dimension from this left side all the way to the end 0.1562. Then I'm going to click on arc, click the end of the line, click the end of this line, and create that slope. Then I'll come back with a dimension and dimension it 0.1562. Hit finish sketch, click on revolve, click on this inside edge, and click OK. And that gives us the mini train linkage peg. Thank you.